What is Island Beer Dreams?
Okay, wait a minute. This is Edwin,
Yes.
my new friend. What's going on, bro? All right, you're about to get your mind blown here, Edwin.
Okay.
All right, what's the first question?
Tell me, what is Island Beer Dreams?
Island Beer Dreams is a unscripted, homemade reality show. Now, I said show because I didn't say TV show because you can't see it on TV. You can only see it on YouTube. So I don't call YouTube TV.
Okay.
So Island Beer Dreams is an unscripted reality show.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot the key word. Homemade reality.
Yeah.
Unscripted, homemade reality TV show.
Exactly as it's shot. Yeah.
I think I might have some problems with this noise. We might have to cut to see how the audio is. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll cut and we will check out the crickets and the rain.
And see if you come over. Yeah.
We'll be right back.